Hey everybody, quick update on the windows for the van. So basically what I needed to do, like I had said in the previous video, is I needed to make a casement that goes basically right around the edges of this. So what I did is I used half-inch piece of plywood, made two of them. I needed about an inch thick, so I had some half-inch pieces of plywood that are left over from pallets. I'm trying to reuse as much material as I can. I don't want to have to buy it if I don't need to. For many reasons, one for cost and one just for reuse. So I just basically made this frame out of half-inch pieces of plywood, stuck them together, glued them together, pinned them together, and this fits right on the outside, and it's actually just an absolute perfect fit. So then the flange, which goes on the inside of the van, fits over that. And now I will screw those in, and that will basically have a clamping action and hold the window into place. And then I can insulate around it. So the next step is to actually take the template that I made, put it on the inside of the van, and trace it out, and then actually start cutting into it, which honestly is a little intimidating, but I'm gonna take my time, make a bunch of measurements, and work it out. So that's the next update on getting the windows installed.